All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2015. That's right, folks. It's a 2015 Dodge Charger. It is the SE model. This beautiful black on black with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering controls. Super nice. Only 20,000 miles on this 2015 vehicle. And best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick, your front bumper. It's pretty good. Let's have a couple of chippies, 2 chippies there. And a couple of chippies on this edge here. Another couple here, 1, 2. On that, the hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Tire thread is at 9/32. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 5/32. Let me double check it. That's right, 5/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof. What that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump in here. Turn this car on for you guys. Obviously, your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. That's working. Got your AC controls right down below. As you can see, it is a dual AC. Your steering wheel controls on this side, as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 20,382. Looks good. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Rear passenger seat. And what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. And rear AC controls. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your rear deck lid looks nice. Got a trunk space here with some tools, and then of course I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. Your deck lid looks good. Looks good. Here's your rear quarter. Looks nice. Rear driver's rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is at 5/32. Let me see it. That's correct, 5/32. Got some heavy scratching here. Actually a chip and a heavy scratch, less than an inch. This side looks good. Here's your front passenger, the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here does have a dent, some paint off 3 inches, and a light scratch here. I'm gonna have one of my guys sand that off, so that's good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, I don't see any curbing, and your tire thread is at 5/32. Got 1, 2, we got 2 dents, both with paint off. One here, less than an inch each. All right, that's it. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2015 Dodge Charger with 20,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.